Anche kese ema ye natifo ni nyina mo mutie ye free echichiri ne bencheye se de bia dom kase fidie ne to DLFM 106.9 ye marason se kuwa krata mo boso ne de ba ebeso mo anopainti bomoden ne kotobi okoto na okankan be hunsima hodo ekoso ewo oman Ghana mu nyina nti bomoden ne kuwa krata no kope bito na nsem abande we tuna sere ne abasa ama we hu de ekoso ewo kuwa krata no nsima hodo a ede aba bonte na bra ko be yen hya se na yemfrem free the chronicle kuwa krata na ba na be ho panipo no ene da good board no ano ne den ede sami jamfi kratafe to so mienu ene miensa ewo the chronicle kuwa krata no ba mane so no no emfa na ho kra Obia wonem se good pa sika akọ obesmogre bi pa dia fa kotu kwan no besu mu okrum ha se die se de waso be hye okrum ano wa hwe ade abepin hu yipa nti okyire mi sisi ade ojire na so brane Obia wonem na pa so ma yetimin na good sika akọ odo fa kuntuna so no be hye okrum ano dan to awasema no so de ho nsem ede aba mountain so na nkra beto dwa kyire mi se aban ede 1 Ghana cedi ede ato 1 liter bia fanga Obia abeto no aban ede 1 liter eto levi ede abeto so se ye bebo na dum so ekoso manimu no empanifo atimi aso no na Ghana mampani kyiremu a we ni adekuto ebetumi abo na dum so no eso atumi ate enti wo kwa akoto fanga a wonya akwa ye bulita ba akoma wa 1 liter bia no na aban na age 1 cedi wom enti dodo abeto bia no wagege nkakra nkrasa na ode abo ano na dum so ekoso no aban ede aso anu nti wei eyemra no so ba be ye adwuma azisi amikese de ne ya betena kuremu a kuwa krata de ho asem bia ba
nhyehyɛ foforɔ aba
dia ba
nti 1 liter bia abeto bia
1 Ghana
1 Ghana na abeto
1 Ghana for your pocket there be your pocket for your dum so we 1 Ghana for your dum so
1 Ghana for your dum so and you know every 1 liter you purchase no and I say you buy no what you are here was
1 cedi
into 1 for 1
sika no kokko no se kure ye new one kura ko na wetua ba ko pe na gise ejampenufo atumi age aboabo no ade akọ ahone ne nsemu energy ho no makọ se won betum de atuatua ka da ho na ye nkane na agina na so
na Johnson men second statement be from the majority leader Ramahama Yarega was basically it is saying that Ghanaians should give 1 Ghana cedi each where they buy a liter of fuel so we can end doom so just 1 Ghana cedi 1 cedi per san worker so that we can end doom so
okay January kuwa krata idea
and I love the caption here just 1 cedi
1 cedi
per
we the one can say just 1 cedi nya just oboabo no emfa ne se bia wo 30 liters o ka bo me say
30 cedis
nti nya just ndi onya ka na o meye o ma de etum na otu ato anya adepon na mom ye de ne se be hwe se mo be gisika ne be wie no adwuma na ye pe no yebehu saaye ene hia Ghana ni samuji sika na mo de ye adwuma ni mu ni hawo mo moji wie ni mamfa anya de ya wa ha ya ye no mbe chia yem kroim abra kobra ato forsen eye oswafo no ene ye Ghana photo sam for hwe ye sika sem so no kiremu am watua 2 billion Ghana cedis akoso mfa nkoboa na adusuan sensem koyi pa get fund for no saka sika we ye beboa ema Ghana adusuan sensem akonanim enti wensi asemoda o ma Ghana photo sam for Kesera Toba Forsen Endra Dokoma Shibedwam Edmund Sem Ekokotu Dwa Sansuna Daily Graphic Wakrata na babonten so no den sempi na aba wechirima 2.5 billion industrial hub stores almost them say squatters swamp site unse udu bempensuo bi ne miamia hudo bi a aban pese obo no homode no oboa na mfindi dwuma etimi kɔ nanim no man yetimi gina ina so pa ba bi ahodo atumi se nimpa bi agye ho aboso amfasuo bi ankoso aban be dwiri ho nyina be siesie ho kama de yemfidi dwuma kama man yetimi akɔ ne wa mu kyerem se 2.5 billion ena aban ede ba be yes enwuma we se industrial hub no be boa pa emene makonkane ede amomanya yentu fanfiri mo ewo daily graphic krata ne yankopie mo ewo daily guide na obehu akane omaga na photo samfo Kenneth Ofuli ata yaw kanedin ho na omu kyerem se ne cancer letter bi na otwereye no a pop up ndizizia no me wo fa se kisi agya ben cancer ono no wonje ndi se kan Ofuli ata yale na mom no yele kadase ka kokwasa no ye onimi so oba ombe kina tumti no ye sa enti wadi crane wanted a eno so so nsema ye pia mikasa no ensa betodwe kyerem a sisi de Ken Ofuli ata kokram yade a wanya ni senti ontum bepie mu Ghana ha no ehun krata na babonte a daily guide ede ho nsem de abasan so no tumfo visit nana dan kwa kuvuado Ghana man penin dada enkra beto dwechim se otumufo asantene a otoso mienu abo modin a chiche ne chachem akwa na eno so akwa ye nigi semiye pa na wasan de aba wa ha se wontumi thanks MPP for support nti endo ada chairman wontumi otetreni edema MPP amanyokunu wasante mantemu na obeka na nansa na mpenifo gya na nadwono na ndra obanan ekopie mu ewo MPP atena yekese a ewo nkrebopore mantemu de na sie pa ekoma MPP amanyokunu mu mpenifo twetwehuro na efi mo mka bie wo mu nyina da any grassroots fo nyina kyeremu a oma ye de pa efri se ekwan a national security for no roku for the fa so nyina chi na seja umetumi ata na chi saa na memeke se omeja na dia na nyame nhira wo no mpa ene so ye hwe anim se nkra tete kyerem se wan hwe wontumi besan akupiem na mpenefo atumi abisa ne nsem ba akomyenu bi nti ye hwe anim se de beto odwane saa na beko anase ene so enkoso nti ene so ne nsem ahodo am daily guard na bla kobra awrahosem asie ni se okopiem ewo sehwi awaso a agrada ate inso etoto ya enkwada bi nam insuo no mu saatian se gba tim keja ema mofra no tender bi crash pa wo hono ma mekesi dia kwaya asema mofra ena etimi ahwere mo nkwa wo hono ma makoma nan tim keja o munyina ahwere mo nkwa daily guide ede ho abandi ebesra batan no so tutui mo hwe na wie munya mofra munya mu nsi nsuo mbasa because ehwi awaso ena agrada ate ma mofra na ene nam so mi tim o munyina da etumi ahwere no mo nkwanti munya ho bibi na atoye nchemi ameto oman bio na bra kobra yenkwane kopie mu ewo Ghanaian publisher na ode aba echirim se o ma ye tim sisi ni OSP o mo si o waste sika papa kobra Japan na ekese kratefe to so miensa OSP is waste of public funds engineer kwabra Japan kratefe to so miensa ewo Ghanaian publisher na mane a wabo no nyina chirim se so opani a ne dinde OSP kisi ajaben a one the office of the special prosecutor no chirim say papa we no djumadi a wodie no la kadaseka kokwasa ena Ghana sika papa we akwatena wa hye gukwa no bepim samra ye kese no efitiri mu okokwo ye OSP no o Ghana abanda demu Ghana man penin da na dan kokofo de betua ho no mu no mu chirim a ye hu sika bi openin age e de afiri obi a wadudwurum anase wabok Ghana kro no afiri ne nsam da de biada kasa dede saa na waye saa Ghana hunu so mfa so ntumu hunu say saa OSP na OSP no saa so ye na kasa na ye waste of public fund enti ebe ye o mon scrab ko muntu no kura mfiri okura mfa so obi ani so e ka hunu na ye bo kasa tenten dede saa mfa so obi ani so openi e kana adwen wa hapam na adoa ekopie mu we nsanwam adoagiri mahye bedwani nani abere pam nsanwam adoagiri mahye bedwani Frank anodom presse our MP not involved in aduagiri chieftaincy dispute in some MPP for na ekasai wa mu kiremi say in some aduagiri mahye bedwani mentemo ase ahodo asore awa hinsie hu nsem ho ekoso ewa nsem ne potemu no papai ni nsanim kura tempia manyoku no akasa so mo srada Frank anodom prayer mahye bedwani no okopie won nsem aduagira mentemo ase ekoso wa hinsem ho no papai ni nsanim ento mo na so enkwa didi akura kratai ede hon sem dia babonten na yentu fanko piemu ewe the news center anu so babonten na ubehu se atoba force na nimu sede nko wa seresa I say government seeks to impose 1 cedi tax on every liter of fuel tibra ko ba sede edi kan wada ko akrata mu no anso de ba na to force minim se to no de ba na niji age ne wa seresa ohwe kwa akrata ni mu na sede space ye na ne sinyina egu abonten na ni age pa se be boa pa madumi so no etwa ntia ya de pa Samson Bank of Ghana penipa dan Dr. Johnson esiama wakasa ndra ochiremzo mugusu Bank of Ghana eye reforms ahodo abeboa ema Ghana sikasem akonanim nipa wodi bamfa kuntuna ase eye sikasem basa omanyim etumi ya no mu disika bi asie na Ghana siri na hwe ase ochiremsem womane shepa gu akwama yakoya nim no Ghana be ya ni gisem ne sikasem no akonkode mo man ye gina na so pemem na mpuntu abam na brako bna ba kaya ndra da na yemfinhie du a kwame nkoma circle June 3rd ensuo ene eja edi afra emba ni pampempema nkoma oha ene aduonum nan ehwere oro nkwa afoforo beboro oha ne aduonum so prepre ne muoden ye pe bi tiri hu nyina ye kuku kwaje se tiri hu nyina kuku enwi ba kumpo ebi ntua ho ne nyina ya toye nchema isiye wo Kwame Nkrumah secret na empenifo chirim se ndrada da ponda kese entesa no empenifo kai wo mayi mu a ade hye ne be wura ho pa chirim se be pemisa mra ye kese no dada na hwiama amane omuhunu nya gina chire no chire din a bra ma bregu nyina ye kwa ade hye bi nso ma ade hye bi wu ye compensations akodo no mo hwe ni mo chire mu a kaskala no so amma ayen sempia manfo kasa wa hasa kwa krati ade ho nsem dia bana bra ko yen tu fine na yen kopiem wo the new center kwa kata na afo no me say asante hene otumfo se tutu otoso mienu ode abaso pa na Ghana man pani bona abaso wa ha no mo kire me say okopiem odabon waboa ama hinsie hu ntokwa hodo ekoso na kofom ti ebe ya wonsan kopiem oboko na Ghana man pani kire mu a we de eden pa na nso mo no homode se de oye ma dabonfo no osere na da bokofo nso hia no fi se de ekoso ho na nye inti asante hene otumfo se tutu otoso mienu Ghana man pani ade sra tonanim so nkoboa na atwobrɛw entimi emra ewo boko na bibia ntumi ntodi akwa kratai ede ho sensem ede aba emontene eso na yentu fan ko piem wo di new publisher kwa kata ande abo na ensa betoje kiremi say mining in motion summit gold board kickstarts anti-gold smuggling task force enti we good bomb penny for na hyehye nioma bia mba beboa na nipa bia nam kuntuna ase ediska ko edwane editwapo firo manyim kwa ma hofro so koton agu mbotom kwa no mpenefo kire manya adwuma da wo mbechu kurum ha ne mo no ubenu ho pa na black one na se beto dwa abaya bi oda ne ho ofe pa wo hwe ni shape a aba be ma bia ne ho obehu obetwam agese wani si aboa wu ne wani si aboa na wo de awu ntwam ne ho ofe pa na ode na eyi ne friends na ID card so bonanim ona okita folder de se obi a oye nurse ni na the document kita ne nsem na manual defone kire mi se abanye hwehwemu mfamfa eye sansa daily sa appointment agard man pani de man na sisi a make say no akoye nsem pi no abanye hwehwemu mfamfa mfisa sabe utumi nto nsem mfro bi se omra no ma mesom wo man e wo mla nipa no document ni grata asem ni certificate eye fake de anyamia nim de kure ni empanifo kire mi sisi wo maso tidom kuma ne kire mi se nmadim yada Ghana man pani nye bibi mfamfa ho no ma hwehwemu mapa enedi de nti a eye ya matumi akobo nipa enipa no ni document ni nkrata asem nya ye fake na mwantumi anya sa due diligent anya hwehwemu no maboni din sa de anka obi ameka we nka okwakobo pan ye boni akudi Ghana fo awu enti we do osrem ada we dem kuma ni masam de to Ghana man pani anim ni so omwa wor ma na hwehwemu mapa enedi na neman konkan emfama omen Central Finance Minister wants a Senate board which say do not sell state assets to politicians. Enti atuba force in ekase ochirimo sre Senate fo ada say efri neko obenye na dwen say obeton Ghana japade de ma yoni tisa no moche okurum ha na ma hwa Ghana tena no be fono so moche pasa wo ton Ghana japade de ma ubi politicians amanyoni a Senate sampeni fo no osima hwe ni ya Ghana tena e be fono nya wakono biu black obenye mo hwe ni mpiem ewo di daily satellite what no touch no chiri mi say sa impulse eye senseman ananwe oni good man edi ho nkomo ewo dia and aso ho mo bia nkomo twetwen so no chiri mu a sisi ai no new cases bi records cases ni sisi ade 45 ni yadro yakoya nimpa Ghana records 45 cases but no death obi anwuye ne mmom nipa o manya sa impulse ya de pone no de yakoya ni makwa koduru aduanan num 45 ane so akoya nsempia kwa kratai ede ho nsem de aba mountain eso na yentufa na yempiem ewo di Ghanaian Times na yemfa no ensori so a I am honored to end 40 years diplomatic service here Virginia Palmer katafa tosumienu dumienu ena obo ho amane so wunim Virginia Palmer sa me wo fa si a ambassador obeson pa wo man mu ha pa US na kra beto dwachire mi se me wo fa asese ne service ne wawie intendo ada one Ghana man pani John Dramani Mahama akwakoto abasakomu enini di nkra se sumo be si US man anim e wa ha na mo se obeye won mu ambassador boy ya yamiadom odi bibia kwa wieye 40 years wasoma chepa me wo fa ase asoma che mfinhye makoma ku aduanan wa bo adwumaden enti one wo manya di nkra se ndese mo kopie mu ho no na ze mo ehunu wa na se menimu adi nkra onwuye ote ase pa na mbom no de akoye ne se onkoso antra ne dibre so ensum bio enti ne so nkra abetodwa na Daily Post no so de abawo se woni me wo fa ase eyi kwabna edubu ahe ne nsem ya nso 49 million national security case no NSB staff no kyerɛ mi sɛ nneɛma ahodoɔ bi akɔ so na no kɔ pie mu wɔ hɔnom no so no kɔ pie mu wɔ asɛmdi bi hɔnom ano so ne nsɛm na ɛde gya akɔ krataa yi ɛde ho nsɛm de aba na mmerɛ ne ntina na nkɔmɔ no dɔɔso ntina bra kɔ bɛyɛ fancy na dwumadi ahodoɔ aka no ɛntoa so
wodi ka sɛ new charges yɛde baba beto fuel so
yeah sure
crew hour and anopay aminu endi and come be quick one and say a quick commercial break aba now Sammy B charges are no for every liter of fuel beto no and who charge now auto 4 liters current price no 49.84 Ghana cedis charge wobetua no 4 cedis so
sure
what 5 liters wobetua 62.30 Ghana cedis and also charge no 5 Ghana cedis so liter bi wobeto no ene ho charge wobetua
say ene yedi kan enhu say me kasa no me kan bibi say wo mu say ye 1 cedi 1 cedi de obi abeka sense we de nse nye sika bia ne wom dodo a wobeto no ene be kire yemfa ne say bia wo yisu tanka kai yi bi na wo kwa akofele o tank ni nyina afo
da some bia fa ne say wo 25 liters cra
25 liters which is 25 Ghana
cedis na betua so
what you say enti enya ba ya abre wadwe sa say de wo akire wo hu no no ente sa ne mom ye de eto na kyekere man enti me hu ni say enya de bone ye de eto na kyekere man obi so beka se ba ne sen no mbetwa yi levium na mode saa we nu so eden eba yenim se eden a ehwene obi adwen kyerɛ te sɛ bia ehwene nti obi atumi kyerɛ na adwen sɛ de tie fine ebi beka na yi levi no so ade nti na mutwa mu na makofa we di aba we nkonkoye ne ho Robin Peter to people de ni bia na ɛno se ye obi adwen kyerɛ a obi bisa ne ho nie ne yemi sɛ ye ho sɛ eto otua anya de bɔne o we must get it clear. Oko US amama hodo a omakọ omanim puntum ma bra kodo mutua to pa omu dwumedie bi omudie na no omfa sika nhyenhye ni pansem o adwuma bi a wo ye ne etua wo ka edugu accountum enti koto ma mpanifo ato omo de dada kora ansa wo nsa ka de enti amano ne omutua to ndi se de ohunso munkuro na ayefe no e ya de pa na ne nyina ne se ye de na ya omogie a ye hunu bra omo de bo eni ntina Ghana ne tua to ana ne wura ho no eni ne ye problem sika ne de mo beje na mo de adwuma na de ya metie yi eni gisem se na Ghana ne atuatua nkakra ne nya sika na o man yetim ye de ye mpuntu dwuma dum so nya eni hobio ye kɔ ye ne mpuntu mu a bra kɔbre nyina ho betɔ yen enti ye besere to ne de se o mogie a o man bia se utua to de to ne kyekere man na mo ye besere se o mogie a o momfo amobra ene botae a
o mogie to na mo muntue foto na to
debi o mo boto a ene mo ka ne se ye wo wede yo mo de ma no embezzlement of fun embezzlement no ene ye sika eye sika mu otu o man sika ne kɔba ne atumi abɔ foto no to na watafrim
watue foto no to
what you say e ba ne sa emwa ene ntina magana ni tua to a na ye ne ye wo nya se bia to na otua ne ha no na mmom se obetua ne ye hunu so mfa so
ye tua to de abɔ foto na wo bia tua foto eto yi ska ne dia ye de opedie
what you say e ba ne sa ha dwenti me ametua mi koto bi na metua e obi so be bisa se na mode ato fu asu yi enye obi asu ne tofu wo ne bi enti na ese de onu ntofu wo no na ese ono wafa ne ho adia na ahyenkafo no ene o ma motofu wo no so be bisa ho nsem
eno so your question
ene so your question obi so be bisa ho nsem but e dan ya ne nyina mu no na de tia na obi asu tua to no go ba bia enti no awer ne nyina ye ne nyina ye
baba ne nyina no won so pese wo kire se ye agigi SK to end doomstorm na no pay ma me for we matifo and this one is coming from ECG Greater Accra Region One head office was ECG will undertake emergency maintenance work to improve service delivery and Wukwada from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Affected areas near Hitman, Malam Junction, Wejagbawe Municipal Hospital, South Makati Hill, Sampa Valley, Choice, Bawe, NIC, Hilltop, and a surrounding areas. So I pay from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yebedumu Kania, Ewo Honum. So na watch say and then so from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Mobedum Kania no ewo Tesano and Patemwa. It's supposed to be ebubu Tesano areas more. So affected areas no Texano Royal area, GCTUC Hostel, Abeka Junction. And Patemwa no wobedundum enkania wo honum. No was say ECG regrets the inconvenience caused to the affected customers. Ninyina no bibia be kama ECG for was we serve you better. Sabi
bibia mo regret enso ya ehunu he. Bibia ankofo we regret wo kruma. Enso yehunu ho ko mu nu omo ho. Ade na atete no de bia mu no mo ho enso nu ho amunu yehu ade de bre Ghana ni.
Young commercial breaking down.
Minia femne waso ene wo mre kakra na menka DLFM Plaza Hotels one semtia one trail se wo pe baby ye meetings and conferences are anyhow because DLFM Plaza Hotels a very spacious conference halls are a state of the art se e come deal na wo pe baby ya wo benya duane a emu ode ne mu ohwam na apomudin wo mu adi ana wo pe ensa papa betre abodwonsa ya so bogu mi na se ni pedua mu nyina ba yo fam anom dia menhwe baby a se DLFM Plaza Bar and restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon. Yeah, a member and a man to Mrs. One Trini. A fair modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Mikawum, neighbor Sheku Amoniaje, Echegusa, oh, the Ofosu Event Center, the Ofosu Plaza Hotels, the Edine Papa, in the Padem. A buso into Saope hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Ya ubenya wa sumdrie dia. Ya bia ya punama. Afe ya wa 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom apartment. Ya ubetumini wa busfia abetinem for a limited period. Afe sheshe DLFM Plaza Hotel. Etra kwan ewo obotan so ene atechem ya ni nyina ewo koforidia. Ebrin so behuyen wa hwerase. Ye ne fire service station no ene di nhwanimu. Se wo kwa adenta. Ya ofrafra ha ubetumi afre yen ewo homa yi so 0530458834 na 0207979461. Email info@DLFM Website www.DLFMplazahotel.com. DLFM Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Penifo kayo say yade ya entimi pa mini ena kidney failure say kra de liver cancer so abeka ho
wo se wo liver ena wo kidney ena wonte Vigdank Healthcare enka Vigdank Healthcare eje 100% natural medicine esa wo liver ena wo kidney yade ni nyina
wo se Vigdank Healthcare
na nya nonko fatty liver, kidney stones, hepatitis B and C, hepatomegaly, any high cholesterol, protein in the urine, afa diabetes, hypertension, prostate enlargement, hydronephrosis, and pyelonephritis, any yadia hudo pi. Vigdank Healthcare, na eban infidien so dia, any awobwa, wamu ultrasound scan, na uko wamo lab wana ube say yes, baby yadia ni sebia, efidien be yinwaba.
Enye, minuaba, dia wama matini nedei, menyeni daso.
Mesi, dia ube ya se ubetua na mon. Vigdank Healthcare, ewo Spintex Road, Coca-Cola Runabout, Fidelity Junction, Standard Chartered Bank in Wechiripe. Woody Frey 050-266-1346 and 0549-951211. Vigdank Healthcare na a healthy liver and kidney for all.
If you're right, where you buy a boko, say you paint to crowd, paint to fear her. I'm a fear her, you know, just a yenny no buffy pamunino. You fear any more guassy, won't grant to say, what you shine, son. Paint to be no. At the two, not as I said, what you to Miss Benia BHL on your side. Oh, yeah, yeah, and the metro, and your diamond paint, and I'm the painting me fear any offices in diamond paint. Yes, diamond paint. Original from America with Benjamin Moore brand. And ye gum, bueno, and Fedi, and Quadaya were down who figura, and ran so within shower, not a fino cop, not painting there, and that's shooting the team. Let us say, a wash up no. Aha, wow. Now, colors beyond what to be. What acrylic, gloss, semi gloss, and a satin. Diamond paint. And Swansea and Swabia. I papa so born so that form. Wholesale any retail na. Na Accra had diamond paint office na wahi. Diamond paint for no ewo Kwabenya ACP. Kwabenya Pokuasi Road. Frewon 0546 770 341 and 020 7744 697. Diamond paint. Leader in paints and colors.
It's a brand new day and time to tune in to your number one breakfast show on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ. With your host, the one and only Hitman.
The one and only Daily Hitman. News, interviews, newspaper headlines, current affairs, Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. sharp.
Start your morning right, stay informed, and get inspired. Only on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia.
It's a holiday. It's a holiday. Mafru, Odamba, getting free free. Bejari, it's a holiday. Dream holiday. Mafru, Odamba, getting free free. Bejari, it's a holiday. It's a holiday. Mafru, Odamba, getting free free. Bejari, it's a holiday. Dream holiday.
When you met it white, so white, boss white. Now, baby, you're not go. When you met it white, Mr. White, Chef White. Now, baby, you're not go. Now, come in your white. Now, sweet temptation. Obey. No, mama, send you. Ocean chilling more. She says holiday. Dream holiday. Also female. Obey. No mama say you. Ocean chilling more. She says holiday. Dream holiday. Send you thinking no doctor, no ginger, no fear, no papa. Yeah, where you know that. Send you Chiako be purami. Nanso bingo. Mechi mamne una. Wati ya tosua. Dadaba obe chiako. Nanso mama. Every day. Sako ninsaba odoko no daba. Give and take. Shampoo and yes this year. Sako ninsaba odoko no daba. Give and take, pull and push, and yes, it's Cowbe Filiama, Cowbe Filiama, Cowbe Filiama, Cowbe Filia, Cowbe Filiama, Cowbe Filia, Cowbe Filiama. Benny Baja, Cowbe Filiama, Cowbe Filiama, Cowbe Filiama. Cowbe Filia, give and take, and yes, this year, no daba.
What do you know? Sing Cowbe Filia, man. One and baby, Abe Philippa. Now experience that ultimate and comfort and luxury. Rana Hanmiaka Hotel, Papa. And what did Diofosu Plaza Hotel? Diofosu Plaza Hotel. You go Freudia at the chimney about Tanso. I brag yourself. I don't have for her. Soap Hotel, Papa, down your home. And at the Diofosu Plaza Hotel, I make for the amount of pay. Your luxurious rooms for home. Conference room for all your conferences. Saloon, Papa. Local and continental dishes. And you are baby, I'm a patron. Local and continental. Diofosu Plaza Hotel. And to weekend, you walk up here at Denton and Impotema. Just look out for Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Go for the what the chip. And I feel Butanso. From Petty Farm. I feel your reservation 05304 588 834. 053 04 588 834 020 79 79 461. Diofosu Plaza Hotel, where luxury meets comfort. Now give us speak up, so premature ejaculation, sexual weakness. Bema wutu tue batem kumabwa. Omwade mbwana kwa kwe bibia wo. Bema de wo so tumi gina ona so. Give us speak up, so na make am for the amawa. Give us cool capsules about. I am Tim how walk what it to walk. What do you need? Give us cool capsules. Give us about Michelle, no support your immune system now. I could see malaria, typhoid. Join this. Obia want to be in the wardrobe. I give us about Michelle. Drugstore be a pharmaceutical shop. Obia Benya Biato. From Petty 0543 222 470 0543 222 470. Give us speak capsules. Give us cold capsules. Give us about Michelle. And I'm praying you, Auntie Maggie. Auntie Maggie, good morning. I had to say. But we are driving in and up a wood here. I know I am very, very careful. I attack on radio so. Driver ni papa pa de wako kodura somdue bom. Ensuo na gogo. Anto your shenkani na wuti anopa ya. Anu ato bom. Sansa passengers no won kwa ho hia pa. 18 minutes after 7. Coffee tell atina say. Na pesa payment no show. Sapon you so. I was your body. Sami B. Also at Nasa, now we're streaming live on Facebook. By a Facebook page in the SWA, DLFM 106.9. Share link, no, brush also this year. Oba Facebook page in the SWA, no share link, no. Now, Wafu being so to me and your beer. So just come on our Facebook page, just share the link, share link, no, Nafi, Wafu being so to me and Hebi. Maybe enough, me, my Sammy be a quaba. Brasami, good morning.
Good morning, Braco.
Bibia Boko dear. And you drew a fine yet national for your dinkomo discussion segment on the breakfast show. Kofi, good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Bibia Boko dear. And a pension is so good. Some be sooner to
Braco Bra, my menfa and Cabo in tomb. Maybe me drew upon Ruhon traffic lights and I said, no question, BSC. And your best, my name is Asatana, Adiachika Credia, Pussy for now, Quanamako Waku to Diana. STC bus and a back. Accident to be a sea traffic light and us and a black up now white driver side in your floor.
Wow.
Yes. How much in me by a white half in your upon a bus stop with ya traffic light and us a pay and when she see how much. And to your best Ghana police service for and no one can be more than has bit me a kutu. Bus and a free queen because the iron a bit over home. Aha, and yesterday, or Mamma Diano court check in flu. I have bit milk of unquenching for
some him
upon road traffic light and as the University of Ghana. Upon road traffic lights and light and as a wah can you see him? A white STC bus and a number driver side and idea. A winning I am a white half on every autumn. How much yan and quench we see and Yasim Kumakrant, best. The best police force. One corner fee and not Bibia and your come good morning once again. I'm not paying you come on. Sambi, and command me Pessi, you know. And I think, sir, Ghana for Bekaya, Andra. A year, 10 years, sir. A trenchama is see Ghana. In sure, any ja. See one can circle. Sama a bayano. Nenya sempa. But the first year drama and French one ya kayanum. And na in Sembi Wanuma is Sia near Kakai. And a payan kai at the 4 1 this year no free mu yawo. But an a paying command me pesi in the same. As Ghanaians say Ghana for to memo for. Do you see 10 years ago?
a synchron circle. Yes, you are BB free. And I see you swear BB and free more. Brasame, we be say over to you.
Brakobra me da se na kwanyi bioa ode amame na anope me wura ho pa se enfrinhia makoma edu entamuni ena kwa me nkoma circle nkwanhia te sai si ya nso ni fan wodi afra ma enipa bia monka hwenhie munye mfumso bia ehwe wono monkwa make say afoforo pina na nam san nkwanhia nso madidem uhu obi nitiri hu abrakobra nwi ba kokura ntua ho nitiri hu nyina aprakra na hwese de bia nim aja
a lot of people have lost their lives. I'm at a loss of words to express how I feel. We'll have to take some measures to be able to avoid this happening in the future.
My main character for someone by your Facebook page and so. And
I was standing by there.
We have pictures and videos.
The fire came from the left side.
Rolling live on our Facebook.
Another one
page. Told you about Facebook page and so.
And then it drew the iron gates down there. The whole
disaster
was shaking. I thought it was collapsed.
Okay, we're here. All of a sudden we had
celebration.
Which means the broadcast broken. So we all went up. There's a certain girl in the
so videos.
Hey, just show. The one came out.
Facebook page.
We saw that there's a fire behind.
Saturday, Manoban was a bram.
It was a baby.
It's a tamam if you are crying. On an summit
on an inform so more 2015. Around 9 something so much cycle. So I can't say
sure what I'm coming from my circle. My name is Granite talk is how much and on Nanya how much a brand
18 years.
And then you make me a tossa. Me winning to me whom me ban. There goes Obia Crown and any pebby who said, well,
when we read that, they told us they have to hold it tight before you can come out from the water.
It is what we call Class B fire. Class B fire is a fire which also has a liquefied fuel. No, it is a liquid fuel fire. And such fires, you need to apply a full compound to blanket them.
Well, a year filling station, no. Na kwango no penifo nhwe be dedi dire se na ya maguso nti ni ebi elekile FM so no na asamba kwa ahomti a memma agwe se ni ko ye kese fra no se trachi dia penifo nhwe be dedi dire se ni the set kwesi ofosu okotwe sigalate onu wie ye no ene esini na aka no de tu ho no ode tu so na je ta
so the question still remains. Where is the DNA report?
On that fateful day, he sent pictures to Odona.
Adeshia Makoma, Oha, any adrenum 154. And
so when it was raining, about 9 p.m.,
any Pablo 115, so a planning more day. The Pimone, a bit dema would do, no. When sensing that the mobile, Obianimun Ash, a Biani Akata, Mr. Baby now crying you. I'm telling you, Nipa Bia, you know, my share. Now put your monko mudia brakobra aseme si kwame nkoma sakre no atete na me nim senke ye kwa ni mi se o man no anke be hwan bibia ye den afrim nanso sebe yada ne konkon sechi Ghana mpenifo da ne konkon sechi inso otu an ye kase ye dan enwunu entinya de ye ho hwe ye nye hwe na brakobra mame ni bi ada nipa bi omudi adanse na omudi omani hu de si kwame nkoma sakre yen kweti omo voice ne mra na yemfa ne ma aka don to aso na yembobo so tentem na tifo no hu de esi yankasa.
I was standing by there. The fire came from the side. Another one made it, and then it drew there.
A lot of people have lost their lives. I'm at a loss of words to express how I feel. We'll have to take some measures to be able to avoid this happening in the future.
Hey, just show. The wall came out, and we saw that there's a fire behind.
I was standing by
Saturday,
the window there. The fire came from the left side. And another one made it. And then it drew the iron gates down there. The whole building was shaking. I thought it was collapsed.
Okay, we're here. All of a sudden we had boom. Which means the broadcast broken. So one went up. There's a certain girl in the room. Hey, just show. The one came out. There's a fire behind.
Saturday, Manoban was a bram.
na black obra boni we ma me adisi omo ko ka aduama omo de da no ehye wo na so omo fo omo ti didi
around 9 something of so much oko
emna nkwanhia ni sie no mo kan sem bi so
ka so and since then you say try to 55 o'clock ya hwe ni say
Alex Nessa
kolebu ye ba
ma me dey na
o 18 years na ma ko so ha me because Obia secret identified.
And when we read that, they told us they have to hold it tight before you can come out.
It is what we call Class B fire. Class B fire is a fire which also has a liquefied fuel. No, it is a liquid fuel fire. And such fires, we need to apply a foam compound to blanket them.
Almost 9 months, and I'm a dad. It's a hospital. Selling market taxi to the back. You tell that she small before you can know that there was too much. You know that I was living at Accra. So you know, whenever I want to go to Accra, I must pass through the police station or get home. So I was opposite of the police station before the incident happened. I'm about to run before the fire catch me from the face. So I had
so the question still remains, where is the DNA report?
Kulebo Hospital that night. It was that night
we sent pictures to Odona.
And I said, I'm going to make
so when it was raining, 9 p.m., one of the sons, the called. I said at the circle. So when the rain stops, he will come. But when the rain stops, so the following morning, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., he didn't come.
Very around 3:34, and you wounded bodies.
That very day, then I'm here.
We've been neglected and we've been
according to them. No, almost say, victims. And
they've been neglected.
Yes.
Woman said,
driver be we nipa nkwanhia no to wo no besi okofie no ne ma ehu na mo se nyom pepani said the word did them aye ni tiri hu nyina hye ne ni nyina akata mo so nyom pepani mo hu no kromu
adwuma me e
awra sem be ne sini si okruma
de na
asem ni si en Ghana man pani kopie mu e de nsem tuwa Ghana man pani kopie na empenifatia be go so montrase na wo na muhwehwem de ko
a lot of people have lost their lives. I'm at a loss of words to express how I feel. We'll have to take some measures to be able to avoid this happening in the future.
Satam na John Dramani Mahama that's your Ghana man penny on na man penny. That was 2015.
I was standing by.
Or declared 3 days of national mourning said Ghana ya mobna.
And another one made it.
And
then it drew the iron gates down there. The whole building was shaking. I thought it was
okay, we're here. All of a sudden we heard boom, which means the block has broken. So we all went up. There's a certain girl in the room. Hey, just show. The wall came out. And we saw that there's a fire behind.
Saturday, Manuaban was a brand. It's a Tama, the friend, or Nam,
so say, the Nipa run out some point. I see it taking some measures. Yes, you know, it is. And I'm going for what you have your committee. Almost so among committee no recommend extensive drainage works. Extensive drainage works.
They have to hold it tight before you can come out from the
It is what we call Class B fire. Class B fire is a fire which also has a liquefied fuel. No, it is a liquid fuel fire. And such fires, you need to apply a foam compound to blanket them.
Odo river, omo kan ho ansem. Eni nsu akodo a odo no so tene ko bom. Omo kan ho ansem so mbetini nyina mu kama. Se be ya nsu otu a etuni mu fa so maka yen tensi. Oman de wahunu mpemiti ehunu bi. Empenifo so sand recommendation by yes, ombesi sanitation police force. Abeboa ahwe ahunu say enforcement be ya adwuma se be ya environmental and waste disposal regulations ne be ya adwuma. Se kwabrani kitabola bibi biara ya defin opeso de tu baabi e se mra ne ya adwuma nti ombeti police sanitation police ombe force wa ma mra na ya den e ya adwuma
yate
ubi sa na se wo ka ho asem
That is sanitation police no kru.
Me hu ye. Ghana sanitation police. Ebi ni ha. Secretary jai to hwe ene mpanimfo de recommendations we nyina abaye because na Odo River no na emu asi. Enti nsuo no na ebu afaso enya ba bi nya dan. Entene mfa. Na gata na emu asi no Nyankopon na de bola na begum ana.
David.
Ghana man pani John Dramani ma na de begum.
David.
Enya yetemamfo na de bola na begum nsuo. Ene yiri fa so no. Enimpa na we wanhu se MP bi wuwom da.
David.
Wanhu se minister bi ho kae. Se ye ne atemamfo na de kogum na yehu na ma na meboa. Ene mpanifo so mbeye wei aboa e ma ma hye ye me ye de mena so be pem ne. Menim ba bi asa police sanitation police enforcement no ewo e wo kureyim. Menim ba bi ewo. Anya adwuma.
10 years in here.
Rakobra anya adwuma.
Aban beba.
Oh, you ani.
Yantumi ante.
Hwe openi pa ne den ede nana yaw akwada da letter Bureau of Public Safety. Na ndo de asem bi tudwa. Enti bo yaw akwada na mame. Me peye akwada na pe ba ko no be kire nsem nti no. I mean brakobra asem a waka ne se. Efitim na asem ni si ye no mpenifo ka se o mo hwehwe mfa recommendations mra se be ye ekoye ni mu no saa de asi no ye hu ni bi wu. Nanso brakobra ni nyina ne se papa yi kire mu a be pem ne. Dada na ya nye nsua hwemfrim. Ejana talk kwa menkoma secretary mani pade hye bebro ha ne aduonum wuye. Mani pa bebro ha ne aduonum pre mu oden no. Ye nsua hwemfrim. Boniface na mame.
Since 2015,
a lot of people have lost their lives. I'm at a loss of words to express how I feel. We'll have to take some measures to be able to avoid this happening in the future.
I was standing by the window there. The fire came from the left side. And another one made it. And then it drew the iron gates down there. The whole building was shaking. I thought it was
okay, we're here all of a sudden, which means the block has broken. So we all went up. And there's a certain girl in the room. Hey, just show. The wall came out. And we saw that there's a fire behind.
Saturday, Manuaban was a brand issue. See, Tama, Mr. Fiacren, on an Sam,
on an from so much. And I don't want to run something for so much. Cycle. Brother, I want to say that traffic filling station. A lot of service. Yeah, man, filling station. You know, authorizations to book.
Then
when we read that, they told us they have to hold it tight before you can come out from the water.
It is what we call Class B fire. Class B fire is a fire which also has a liquefied fuel, though it is a liquid fuel fire. And such fires, you need to apply a foam compound to blanket them.
That's another question. But there are procedures and processes to make sure that filling stations are established. Town planning, the filling station, it is up to planners to make that determination.
So the question still remains, where is the DNA report?
On that fateful day,
he said the answer even when it started raining. Bureau of Public Safety. So when it was Nana yaw akwada ene wo ka se de asie no yensua hwe tam no nti na matwa twane amaso no na nka wobɔ nana yaw na nkasa o ka asem yo ho o ka si su pen se de asi ni nyina no Ghana yensua hwe amfiri mu ene se ekwanya hodo a yefa so emanimpa ekwanya manisi fuel station no
permit
na na nsese ne tesen yemisa ye ho se de asi ye wo kwa menkoma circle ni nya bepem de no aso Ghana esuan bibia afirimu a ene fuel air filling stations a wodom sis no man mu no baabi sis ni ntia ye ma ye de asema ye misa ye honie baabi ampenifo ma permit ma ko sis fango fuel stations a wodom sis no esiye asema me bisanie 2 Sagana ni ekọ baabi na sensu oto a ye dwane kwahye fuel station no ye jai eno so yasembisa etosumi no shenkani ebe fele ne car tanka ade wa fa passengers e ma na ye ma onam kwan so no de nimpa na kwagina filling station ho ni ye twabia gumama no na kobra na afafon no ye call e wa mra ye nim gokrom ha se mra ese wunya bowura fuel filling station na ye nya call ye nya call ba ye mesase ye jai
na obi tofu wo no kura na wote ne kamu ana hello agwasi meba me nam kwaso meba ni ebufu wo egu ne kamu na oyeko
tini papa mumpa
asami bi and fuel station
no de ni pamfa ni kwagina fuel station age se bia na emergency bi yaba wonnim pate se kai ya wokoi aha na wokọ wo bai ebi kwa ni mpa nhye dan nim enti adenti na betwan sa be fa ni pa na ya manwie ne ye ni mu se mra nso ma ho kwan se ye yekọ ewo filling station uni mi say kai yi kosi won so abibini de wo ye den obeye na ni pagum ma na de akosi eye fuel filling station na ye twa fuel ni biagum saa na ni pa ye de beye na se mi amfafre na gi boma
atrenchem na
ye kwa na se ye bae nti o mana ga se ye tim sise ne bra komna ye no yesene pete Ghana yesene pete sensu oto a ene ye ka se ye dan na nwunu sensu ni nya tiwi a apetampe yemfa hwenya hwe o man sa na yete sa obeka ya amntwe wadwene si asembi so Kwame Nkrumah sa kede ani si da ben isi Wednesday 3 June 2015 Atomic Junction hanom sa wonso o kai se explosion bi koso na nso ye gwel fu ya de ya bia sa gwel ye si Kwame Nkrumah sa kri we bi so na si wo haya Atomic
Junction
that was 17th November 2017
so 2 years after circle there no
enipa 14 ene wuye ewa Atomic Junction ha enipa omunya omutrididi mu survivors ne ye 67 ene nipa praye 78 enipa praye binimu ti dem yanka Ghana for yaw yadamfu nsentweni ba kono ya adwuma ma na 2 so okoye report wanwu owuye yes yensu ahwe me say oman black obra yensu ahwe bepem ne compensation ahodo mpa na say company pa bi asat now ebinim say oman ahwe
and they've been neglected they are neglected omo that one jeje mu
and so gwa no enya oman ne dia gwa eye fa ni say filling station no eye oman ne dia o gwa company ne ya oman dia enipa omudi dem ene ade ehon hyehye bepem ne ebinim de ka pre ono anya wo manyim enti bra kobna yensu ahwe sa obeka ya mfa won kopie mu akyem wata sa obeka ya Ghana to yenche mesisuya me kaka wato yenche masi wo manyim a yensu ahwe okurum a ya da ho tim se ye twen se bi mra biu ne yensa mobna okurum ha biu enie obeka ya oma ye timi edumpempenso a akyem wata ha ya nkwanhia bi si sa akyem wata de no si. That was 2012. And at Chimota, more back when we were home. Sagana for Becaya. A quajet ta and a juguye. Oh, Krum Hanum. A nipa was shas as yase. A bit 3 days. The intimation in Pierre. Nasanquan Gene see no cofatu yen champina de bar or mayima. A quaya at a tea pa. Oh, Kruma. Enti wo hwe sa mekom na edwiriguye na sorry sa information mom na me we no mekom de mpemfo kirim se nimpa we ye 14 rather mekom de no omo si 14 e we 67 78 enti me omo pre na mu oden e wo krum hanom e mani papi na ho keka wo krum Ghana fododo na ehuna ma ne wa hanom si wo man ye bre emi se de na yesua firim e mena si ye no workers ni bi kasa ye omam ko odo mani ko hu de si ye kasa ye wo mo so mo di dem kasa wo krum hanom ansa na Ghana man peni ko kasa ye okovanda poi that time no ya krameyo okokasa ye ekwachi openi pa no hwe structure si ebesi dan e wa kra ha no ochi ni nutu afiase sei ono koye lakadase ka ibi kokwasa
ye kan wasem
inspection na yes okoye no wanye ena some comfort da no mu kiremi sei wo hwe structure nan kasa e dan ya boss be ye 5 ne ne ma mo de no ma nya ne ye enti o mo che no ekosi sen yes yam bibia free man na me bisa o
me kai Oko Van der Poel.
Yes.
And I my main one voice bra sa to encham see here no
This morning I am ordering the arrest of Mr. Abebio. Please step out. I am ordering the arrest of Mr. Abebio immediately for further investigation and for the necessary prosecution. So, police officer, please arrest Mr. Abebio immediately. I am ordering the arrest of Mr. Abebio this morning because Mr. Abebio works for AMA as a building inspector. Mr. Abebio is not an agent of AMA or anybody to collect money. Mr. Abebio has collected from this developer an amount of 3,550 Ghana cedis.
Ote
wa kwaji sika 3,550 Ghana cedis waji di bribe Black Obia ni yo krachi kwaje bribe ena dan na so ye due diligent se be ye bebo Ghana fo ho pan mekom edwadi bia kesi a ni pe ko hyemu no enye ni pekuma
and it take it 3 days.
3 days
ni ahwe ni pa
edu baby mo den kraman efram no ne ba kuruma nko hwiehwia enkotwe ni pa kuruma mebo a
nokre pa
yes
so maybe wonim nadumo
menimpa
National Disaster Management Organization. And one responsibility is to manage disasters and emergencies. Now, what the Juma Wayano, Bakwa Kampa, awareness creation.
Black Obia create awareness.
Awareness by an admo, a create to
I just say, BBS no Makochemo, any a mattress. Any young one, and open on my year. When Ghana man penny. Chance and bo mekom no bo victims in a voice now we are bo Ghana man penny as more kind of fence na ku tell them because me pese Ghana for ya twa adwense bibi so ne ye hu ne se bibi to yen na se ya to yen chema aya ye sua bibi firi mu anase Ghana sa ya twa se fufuro nsi bio ne yen ko bobna na yen sun kaka brofo akese wase bo we dey kan bo sin ni mame mekom sin no mra asem ni si ye de na ekoso ho no bo mame face
mekom okay I mean what?
It's still with their guys.
Sabi
Black Obia na bo mekom workers na mo wo ho adade na mo ye adwuma no bo nsema workers ne kan
mekom workers no wo ho nom no abra trench me see no hey Ghana be
That day, we were having morning devotion inside the building, and I was standing in front of the door, hanging banner in front of the door because that was Wednesday, we were having promotion. So the banner for the promotion, I was hanging it. What I saw, the pillar in front of the door hit me on the compound. The time I realized I was on the compound. So I was the first person to call the management and tell them that the building has collapsed because I was the first person outside. That's what I saw. When the incident happened, you can't see anything. It's like darkness. If you are going, you are just moving. You don't know where you are heading to.
That day, I just came late. So we went in exactly 5 minutes when the thing happened. It happened like a rapture. That's what I was thinking in my mind, that God has come. So I just forget about everything that, it's God. After all, it's God. So just feel reluctant and all that. But within 10 to 20 minutes, I just realized that still I'm alive. But I can't do anything. I can't wake up. Suddenly we heard machine excavator and all that. So I spent 6 hours under it before I was rescued. My eyes were open, but I can't even think about anything. But what I was thinking is that I'm about to die.
Zambi.
Enti we your workers ni bio. Kobra na kwahye fom don hwere makomako nsia. O hye ho nani gu so. But ontumi nye ho hwe.
And esi no victims no
victims na nkasa nso a na wona mko didwa e kwa akoto ade a edan dwirigu o mo so no so ebinim ka o makosa
na nhwema me ye no a kire se wona wo call ho no as customers wo koto ade no up to now wonya compensation
ebinim compensation no ama ebinim nya bi ebinim so de ama bepem ne obi campaign wa bi a odi pesika gu ne botom insurance ni hu ana mekom company no omo ni insurance ye misa enso ya to ye nchema esi ye no omo ye victims ne bi mu kire mi say compensation no mo san kan okro mu a yes e de ho ase dia se de be nya ne sa na o ma na amanfo hu na ma ne sa na ye mo victim ne ne ye fa Ghana man pani di ntwam na ye nsi na kofi mra mu na tiefo ne mra na bra kwabra nsama ye koso no
It has affected me in so many ways because most of my friends are now think I'm dead. Those who have not seen me, they still feel Jennifer is dead or something.
October. I've been in coma for 4 times. If not this thing happens to me, Isaac, I'm not ill. I don't just get ill just like that. But because of this incident, illness has taken place in me. That's what I can say. I say life has not been the same for me. No, because of the sickness taking part in me, I'm in the house, I'm not doing anything. But just by the grace of God, today I'm fine. Yeah, by the grace of God, from November coming, I'm fine.
A pillar fall on one side of me, so I have a fracture with my hand, my knee, and my toe. I'm not that fit, but the doctor said we will not be 100% fit, so we should go home. So I'm just, sometimes I feel the pain, sometimes too.
Oh my God.
This certainly brings up the issue of our building code and how we enforce it. And definitely there is a lot of negligence in terms of how we build, especially high-rise buildings. And so we're going to have to put in place a mechanism to check the safety and security of other high-rise buildings and find out if there aren't any more of such disasters waiting to happen. As you know, Ghana is an earthquake-prone zone. And so if this building just collapsed like that, I mean, if we get a tremor that is above a certain magnitude, how many more buildings won't come down?
Eti Brako Bragana Mampeni, John Dramani Mahama, that time, that was 2012.
Yo, Kofi, good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Mami, to a quick one then. Yeah, some maybe I can in
me boni too. Preocupe. Na Hitman. Technology professional and a community advocate ni ashite make his statement be enra. Na Hitman say it has been 10 years since the June 3rd tragedy, yet we are still grappling with the same problem. Ni Ashite said the Clote River continues to pose significant risk to life and livelihoods. We cannot allow this cycle to persist. Hitman, yeti krumasi yeti ya, and something happened. BBAC. Yentu one among ni enima ne say amanfo ewu na me prepra na ya be ka brofo akese na ya be hyebo. But no so na ya be abehye no so no ye ni so. Then this same thing will continue. Ebe sense biom. Hwe fiti mekoma ade your kind 2012 eba sa basi 2017 2015 2017 after circle the year 2015 2017 a big sense wa atomeka and we still have problem na kroma say yete ase nti den nti na yete kroma say your life ebe at risk and emu nipa ni muso ayeti muso no we have a problem. Clotage you are making okwabrane soria no the ball akwakogum na ni refi no say emre bi echi similar thing the AC am a course a man for life nenso won dwene na no so ya san be hye ho bo say e beti police for sa enkrofo yo mo yes ade we nyina beti police ni ade bepom ne Yentimente. Aye trending. No more aya form adwumem denti na aya form adwumem. Ye say ntuo omka, ye de aban sika etuo omka. Nadmo issue ya okay. Nadmo empendo do say in a year no mo de ayiba. It's serious. It's serious. Nanso you see we are in a country ya tititi eku awodo a omobo ye ho ban ye ntimamufu a yete oman omobo ye ho ban nso ye hu omso mfaso. Yes, and it's sad. Ye hu omso mfaso. Na say ye ranking na ye ka bronika say Ghana kan ye kan say places na ubo be visit a life here at risk. Na de They say Bruni make that statement, you know. We should think, yen dreaming kakra. Cause o mine me dia. Yen yes you home beto yen.
Okay.
Hitman Medmanuesi.
Kofi Midasi Anopay. 51 minutes after 7 a.m. here Anopay. The breakfast show Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. Yemfa calls ne kakra. Sa maybe akasa Kofi so akasa na onso wadwen tra watch won sema Anopay ya Kenya 059340 6565 0534 050 199 Lumba in super natural mineral water. Maje. Good morning. Me pacho me hoya pa wan ye. Mama minti wa no pay.
Oh, I no pay wa kasa pa Nyankopon nsira mu. Na mo me jini pa se edwuma na o mo enko funa mo edwuma ma kom no. Se de ankola no ko edwuma. O mo register mo for a snitch. And sanya man. Tina se ya pro ni pe ye pa na sanko fodidi. A o man no. E no mo so man poto. And ye pre deni na. E ko pem da bene mama ga na ko nenim. Na chese se pro ni betinya ka se o pedro kan ko ma e ya torenche mo na ya DJ fans. Ghana nya ko pon ye mo bo. Anya sa ye kura ba kwa bna.
Yo.
Omo mankola ya bra bo tete dodo impenye foni pi omo nja pro ni be ye no omo ma chese bibia nya finchirem.
Okay.
Nya ko kamo.
Onka also but what Diana pe Lumba and Super B na voice no enye kama. That's on the lighter side. Okay, so 0593406565 0534 050 no pay in komo ayedi nyina no won so wadwen kire kakra wo de beba na fe ya hwe ne ya sorry so. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me ba che fro say.
Onyame adomo.
The fro say.
The friend Francis.
Mami ti wa no pay.
Ghana nkasa no asa ye telefo no omude ya aju diaglo on say ye kasa sisi ya mun kasa no pay na mo ka about fuel say ye the one city beto so 1 liter ya enye fuel na anu omusi omati so enye fuel na anu omusi dollar na ba form enti $1 we baba expose yen paying for no to say na COVID-19 expose Ghana the same boneno asofo ne ye paying for no dollar we baba expose amatima mu for ye na ye be hu say jimi no mu jimi ye
no sawed ne de wadar ma tresan it's modern radio me pacho
pacho ni me ta me kasa we say dollar ba form ba me ka chela we say Yema Yahu 6 months. Ubon Sena Niama Boba Kosuru with an excuse.
Right.
With an excuse. So
you
the reason enter a moment Niama Bo Ekosulu.
Mate, Medasi Anape will make you point. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Me pacho utiate, et say
Nyamiadom.
Maminti Wanope.
Hitman, Yamisha would know a big for Amoha, de Biamode Niama Pamo de Blayano. Yamishlamo. Kanata to see what you number one. Listener, yes. Hitman, more catching for your friends as a filling station. I am paying for Omo Kwama, almost Sinu Krumi, over Crum baby. I say, over one filling station is ya to enter me in say, and your Crum crana bear, you know, a Sikrana, Yanshani Padoa, almost Omonkwa. The young besides so called engineers, no more Ghana Hana. Omuma sa permit na omusisi sa filling station wo krom no yo omukwaje baby a filling station yesi na we wo kasisi na obi so aba na wa be kanta so enye ye mpanyimfo sa tumi we yo omode ma your friends omusisi filling station no me ametie na me de sa tumi no de ma omu enye omudi anim ana ye mpanyimfo ya na omuma akwan
right
it man de bia me kam de ne mapa ne de bia mo de ble nya me nhira mo ne ma papa mo de ble ni nya men kamo no nya sa asoma mo ya da mo ase ne ma pa mo ba mai
yo utiate me da say good morning me pa chwe first
me ka dafi kaswa
ma minti wa no pay
me tiamo nya
ya da say
na you me won say before your problem both from government and everybody your problem say about to rent a company bit say filling station and any company like Mecom insurance no I say the ma almost BB affect you mono me a bit to majumum I say me the obroni the man me young Ghana ni our human resource on person of the moment me fight ya labor commission and in labor office and the moment come insurance in the end your problem. Your problem say you right say oh I hear see atumo odomo ana me company na be aduma mu no insurance na etisɛn na ye boy ye ho say bibi to Ghana ho a aban no any omo responsible omo force no omo saka omo compensation and whatever it is even yan ka say senate impo yasam me bra yasam enti mo kan mo mamo government ni bebre bibi ni su ye mpa de papa ade aye de na yempe. Yes, you got to Chini and Tanzania, very share.
You, Meso, Medasiano pay. Good morning. Asante Zongo, Mammy, you want to pay.
Ayo, Medasi. Papa,
ye.
Subaya Kita Yan Penny for an idea anymore. The Bia Mecamisi. Oh, Obia Penny, Sabi Omo by me, became a penny. It's your company, a panya, one ya, and you do, maybe. So, did you want penny, I can't say. Over. Almost see you. Almost me, Yahoo. Just me but Zongo ha. Over 31 years. Now, and so here, a funk for power. Aha. I could see Otabe, Dr. Benzo Otabe. Now, sorry. Unim, Ababi Babri, I come. A Mobra, Nia, ever more year, got a cassia to form. The what I run quite also. Of other, so told, and they, and I said, so Tobiana, and Yira. Oh, Freddy Biawa. Swahoo. And Omni Papa. Now, Omni Papa, a bro be with him. A bro, I will be with him. Chance all as I me of a kind of cap, as well as you know, political materials I was all as you. And then Jerry Tina, Obino Car, Quachu, yeah. Now, I don't quite some for Amamu, Daba for me, you know. Wow. As you say, no, go on my new harmono. I won't find you my year. I'm why I didn't catch the Biano. I didn't catch the Biano.
Asante Zongo. Yankopon and Cat also home. Good morning.
Good morning, Barbara.
Me about your first say. Brad told me I don't pay my meet you.
Yo, I know pay them if I'm on family. I know I beg you for me to come out and so. Na obi ka se mi de mum peni for ni embre mu wan e me na me ko ye adwuma no me na ye ma se de se me kwese me insurance yi okay ana se ye de ahye peni for ne sa so mo rete nyuma ni nyina no insurance no e intact ma ye friend say workers na mi pese mi bisa black na me ti ase ndi obi se mi embre mu peni for ndi embre mu wan embre mu mi am ti yi money nyaminya juma o man Ghana e bibiti yes me emblem penny ye nipa no na sede nyami emblem no na mimu eni emblem mu dia ye be koso abresta
yo
na mi gram why
Tommy yeah that's we do a very final caller ye fa final one na fe ye fa see good morning.
Good morning sir.
Me pa che fro say
from of ya me prefiteshi
of ya ma minti one pay
nam person bi bisa ne say insurance it's a car insurance a composite so Obia oyana secondary sa 1 city no me to 1 liter so no make no one commercial drivers na one never san bre one express san bre I didn't know say banesa I didn't know one to me and pass it and for baby no be for petrol so e be dey na ma wo krom ni asese driver for no mo pen no mo ye before ka the driver and catch him say me ko kan che man wo krom ni say won titi won yama so what is one so better one or computer no journey for na attitude so but trot for na dey no mo pen no mo ye I didn't tell me the one city better 1 liter so that's it
yo but opening me so me da say yen to me emfa course ni bi ma ha ana di bisi sambi yakọ
te bra said ye di kan aka no corona yetim no Obia wana said ya so oye ya fa Obia court na office enu ntibusum du a yetua na ho ka enti adwuma yes oye no se mra hye no mane ye atoye nchemasi ya pa badwako yetua omoka ya mpae ko ne keke so omfo omo hunu o ye de oman sika ne ma wo no
omo bi so the recommendations ba
e de baaye
recommendations so ya mfanya adwuma
omo de baaye no obi amfanya hwe krom kototwe ne baabi na se yete omo ne ye ho saa ne ye boye ho abro enti na de bia da meka Ghana ne a wutie mesrew wo wasede na ese wo ye ne bo ho moden se obeye firi se nkwanhia na si a pani na nka obia o enti minu mienu ye ya sede ye nsu oto a enwane nkwhye filling station bia ho mesrew nyane nkwhye ho ebio nso enum nsuo botro se den fa nkoto gatem na nsuo na yira enkofa Ghana mampeni enkofa minister enkofa MP
sabi
ebe san ba ho abefa wa
yen kan kire tiefo se ebra ye wo mu eye nsu totobre enti wo pia no are very very careful nsuo ne gugu pa anopa yi say nsuo ne hyase ntem enti wo pia no wanya wo chinye raincoat eno so beboa pa
ehu nyana bra kobra me soro me fa woda kese ma Pastor Israel na Pastor Israel no yosofo a woda eye Transfiguration Chapel International ano e won krabo prementem hanom sei na o kire ma ben so to mpotem honom na Letitia ansa o ye church member ene o se na ye ne pastor na wodanti kofi bo amede we no ye nti bo amena project ma me na yesa mpre me ngo fa asifo e betata me okrum anti happy birthday emfa nkoma won head pastor wodin edi Israel wona woda Transfiguration Chapel International ano ewo ye lo Nava Station Accra Letitia nchen Letitia ansa o so ye church member into we say na woda kese ne emfa ma pastor Israel woda Transfiguration Chapel International no Nyankopon hira pa na na ye woda Nyankopon pagya na onye wo kese kofi hu a fa we to so
aba ko
nti we so eko ediama MC Brack na wo fon ase kokoben efrin shraba justice oye adwuma wo RFM kuma ase na wo se ne wa wodanti MC Brack Nyankopon hira no onye wo kese pa so happy birthday enko enfama MC Brack wo ofon ase kokoben efri Inshaba just no see fa oda kesi mfa Nyankopon hira na onye okese not na nim fa nsho
mengen kan Facebook messages quick one afi sorry so if you are do or say Hitman good morning watching you live from Tantra Hills Piaga or say good morning Benedicta Ekriamwa Moame Benedicta Ekriamwa or say good morning Hitman watching you live from Reese Junction and pay what here and our programs manager Mavis Amensha Silver Lady so watching you guys good job and more grace abusia. Yes, sorry, so coffee, yeah, call.
Hitman.
Muzuni wa fasibia.
Mimi wa fasibia. Me wa fani eni shiraba.
Wa fafoji na wa fano no. Wa fafoji na wa fano no.
Hitman. Meka say Ghana ni de. Uti krom ha. Hwe ho su ye. Bo bra ye. Na tu wanamon ye. Na asem to a. Wanye careful a. Obi ameboa wo nti ye ututo niama yi na ne si wo Melcom ya compensation sama still yi Hitman unika preda ho anase wabusu phone sika bi da ba bi omo behwe wa na nka do wani to omo so say bi omo be ma compensation komedi hwamo nti ni mesre Ghana ni bia ontutu na namon yi na nsi otuto yi your life was at risk pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sami.
We dey kwesi consider kwentia. Ensuo no bra kobra nyaye. Ensuo no do egu so topa. Enti ye besere mo afi na mo free fia kwa adwuma mo ani na ho. Ye besere mo. Ena adwuma wura no so ye besere se wo ka bi maya mesere wa anyabo apayo. Ye sere mo ada. Ensuo no egu so to den enti ahyenka fo ne titiru no.
No munya hwe.
Wo ka na sa tai na wia kwasesa. Anya sa abo blake na nche a akofa asem de aba e best nti se de nsu no eto no moma ye nyina ye mo aye ho se be ya Ghana de ye nim bibi kitua bi ebesi bi ne bi fa so di bone na akofa ha de abra o mai ye mo ye ho ban se be ye nsu ye eto ye nkofa ha bi amfa mre
kofi
Hitman o ka ejuma mpenifo no matete ejuma fo na we na me fo ka free blake ma me ba madina mi be ya na lady baako o si nsu ayiri o ka chere ne boss say nsu ayiri ni honum ne board so on twa picture enfan sen no ansa na wa hu say ampenya pa nsu ayiri o munya abot
who dem say Hitman be pick me free Atomic Junction be adwuma
Hitman be pick you
I'm telling you
wow
me bedu Atomic Junction da ho ma chene me gina o me nyaka bi ama nsu oni so to me famu a me be adwuma me hu nyina afọ me tun fa metena studio ha sa me frɛ bra kobra na free fie be peke me edu ba bia ha adwente be sere na me wura afọ no nso ni tana wo ka bia ma ya na omunya abotida ne ye
bibia be fine.
What's up? Coming out and get to where the gunshot always a echo. You don't know? Hear the road boy crack.
All I can see. Sometimes I try to make them true.
Well, thank you so much. It's a very good act of being a good guest is to know when to say goodbye. I said I can see Uncommon production team in Kofi Taylor. Upon board the one for until I saw a man try. Shraba Kwadio Sami B. The source of his feet on the heat. And our programs manager maybe someone Silver Lady for that support. And from a Hitman Yango Pon can one your can see it. Mohoba or Bompire na Fiwa Bobidia Medjumera. Daddy Lumba. And I feel Mama Priscilla for so. Mama Lumba. There was running now. And Sonny Gugu. Piano are very, very careful. Good morning. I'll enjoy the rest of our programs.